Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. I hope you and your family are doing great and that you are keeping safe. Today I am in my master bathroom and I'm going to do a little DIY on the mirror. It's a basic looking mirror, a builder grade. I thought I would do something with it just to spice it up a little bit. I've been wanting to change this mirror for a very long time, but for some reason I never got around to it. For the DIY, I'm going to be using this beautiful, gorgeous mirror tile that I got from Amazon. They came really well packed. Let me give you guys a close-up. Very beautiful, gorgeous. I'm going to use them to frame the mirror. I'm going to be using this glue that was recommended by Amazon. It is the Flex glue. You can also find it at Home Depot. I'm using the bigger version and I put it in a glue gun. I would love it if you stick around to see how it's going to turn out. To do the frame, I'm going to be using 3 rows of tile. I'm just cutting them as of right now. The knife wasn't doing a good job. For the rest of the cutting, I will be using a pair of scissors instead. Once I was done with cutting my piece, I put the glue on the back of the towel. This is me putting the first piece. However, my body blocked the camera a bit, so you guys did not get to see it, but you'll get to see more of it later. Once I installed the first piece, I realized some of the mesh that came out a little bit were a big problem with the install, so I've decided to cut them out. To protect the vanity, I have the towel sit on the towel when putting the glue. I would like to take this moment to welcome all of you who are new to my channel. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bells so you can get notified once I upload a new video. And to my returning Glam Squad, I am so grateful that you have decided to follow me on my journey of creating my beautiful glam and happy home. I press it down firmly to make sure it's all sit properly. I needed more glue, so I'm gonna go back and add a little bit more. Hey guys, I have some fantastic news. My Glam Style with Dalou merchandise shop is up and ready. You can find it below the video. Link will also be in the description box. Also stay tuned, my Amazon store will be coming out soon. The towel came with a plastic barrier. I make sure I keep it on to protect the towel. Just to give you an idea, this is the amount of glue that I have on. Then I realized the best thing to do is to peel off the mesh on the outer border. I'll show you what I'm talking about in a minute. You see how I have this little spot on the tile that has no mesh? When putting the tile, I took my sweet time to make sure everything lined up and sit properly.
Saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
When doing the top, I had to put more glue and hold it down for a little while so it doesn't slip down.
I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I think I've waited all these years for you right here. But how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know
I am all done with the install. Now I am removing the protective plastic.
get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I
The next day, my husband added some clear silicone for me between the mirror and the tile. You can find this clear silicone on Amazon or at Home Depot. Links for everything will be in the description box. Then he removed the excess silicone. By the way, I use alcohol to remove the excess glue and the silicone that was on the mirror. Okay guys, I am done. This is a before picture, and now let's see the transformation.
and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name.
This is it, you guys. I think it turns out really nice. I really like it. I think it definitely upgrades the mirror. Soon you guys will have a full tour of the master bathroom. If you have not, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload.
To get to know you.
If you try to duplicate this project, when installing the tiles, try to see if you can keep them as close as possible, and also see if you can use a clear glue instead. I will put a link in the description box for that. The glue that I used was okay, but I think a clear glue would have been better. If you duplicate this project, please tag me on Facebook and on Instagram at Glam Style with Dalou. I'm gonna start posting a lot of updates on Instagram and on Facebook. If you have not, please follow me. Once again, it is Glam Style with Dalou on both social media platforms. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. I thank you for your time today, and I look forward to seeing you on my next one. I love you so much. Mwah.
Just wanna get to know you.